Master Masseur in fluffy disguise. I think we might have found our suspect. Son, peace, and zero responsibilities. Every time he picks the exact same spot the cat just washed, and every time the betrayal cuts deeper. If he fits, he sits. That's not a reaction, it's instinct.
Your cat just stuck his head inside of that pitcher and pushed all of that off the table.
There's no fucking way we're literally making this happen right now. There's no fucking way.